आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, look at the question. Question says find the modulus, argument and the principal argument of this complex number. Now let us start the solution. The complex number is given z equals to iota minus 1 upon z is denoted by the complex number iota into 1 minus cos 2 pi by 5 plus sin pi by 5 sin 2 pi by 5. It is given in the question. Complex number is so 1 minus cos 2 theta cos theta 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2. So we have to put the values in that equation. So it will be iota minus 1 upon iota into 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So it will be 2 sin square theta is 2 pi by 5. And 2 pi by 5 upon 2. So 2 cancel out. So it will be sin square pi by 5 is left. Same in that case, two pi by 5 it will be 2 sin pi by 5 and cos pi by 5 is left. Okay. Now 1 minus iota minus 1 upon 2 sin pi by 5 is common. So it will be cos pi by 5 plus iota 2 sin pi by 5 is outside, so it will be sin pi by 5 is left. So the question says find the modulus. Modulus of z is equals to modulus of iota minus 1 upon 2 sin pi by 5 is as it is because there is no imaginary part exists, so modulus can't exist. Okay, so cos pi by 5 plus iota sin pi by 5. Modulus of iota minus 1 it will be iota minus 1 is in mod, so it will be under root iota value is 1 square plus a square plus b is minus 1 square, so it will be 1 square plus 1 square is under root 1 plus 1, so its value will be under root 2. So under root 2 upon 2 sin pi by 5 into cos pi by 5, same as in that case, cos pi by 5 a square means this square under root plus sin pi by 5 whole square. So cos square plus sin square it's 1 square it's under root 1 square 1 plus 1 it's 2. So it will be cos square plus sin square is equals to 1. So we can say under root 1. So 1 value is 1. So we put in this equation, it will be 1. So 2 sin pi by 5. 1 upon sin pi by 5 it's cosec pi by 5. 1 upon sin it's cosec pi by 5. So we can say root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2, how we write? We rationalize this term. So it will root 2 it's 2. 2 by 2 root 2. So 1 by root 2 is left. So 1 by root 2 cosec pi by 5. This is our modulus of z. Now we find the argument of z. Argument of z. How we can write argument of z? Argument of iota minus 1 upon 2 sin pi by 5 into cos pi by 5 plus iota sin pi by 5. We can solve this equation by argument. Okay. Now we know that the argument formula is argument of z1 by z2 is equal argument of z1 minus argument of z2. So we apply this formula in that equation. So argument of iota minus 1 minus z1 minus z2. So z2 is argument of 2 sin pi by 5 minus argument of cos pi by 5 plus iota sin pi by 5. Solve this equation. How we solve that equation? It will be argument of iota minus 1. First of all, we have to solve argument of iota minus 1. Iota minus 1 we can write argument in this form tan inverse. Tan inverse of imaginary part upon real part. Imaginary part is 1, real part is minus 1. So it will be this value will be exist in this positive and negative. Positive and negative will exist in the second quadrant. So second quadrant in this pi minus pi by 4 will exist. It means 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now we take another argument of 2 sine pi by 5. This value is 0. How we can say this value is 0? Because there is no imaginary part exists. If there no imaginary part exists, only real part, so it will be 0. Argument of cos pi by 5 plus iota sin pi by 5. Cos theta plus iota sin theta, it will be tan inverse of theta. Theta is pi by 5. So tan inverse of theta is tan theta. So value is pi by 5 exists. So we put these three values in that equation. Argument of iota minus 1 is 3 pi by 4. So we put 3 pi by 4 is minus argument of 2 sin pi by 5 is 0. It's minus 0 minus pi by 5. Solve that equation is equals to argument of z. We take LCM. 4 and 5 LCM will be 20. 4 into 5 it's 20. So 3 into 5 it's 15 pi minus 5 into 4 it's 20. 4 into pi it's 4 pi is equals to argument of z. So 15 pi minus 4 pi it's 11 pi by 20. Argument of z is this. Now we can say also the principal argument of z is 11 pi by 20. So principal value is also exists. Principal value of principal argument. Now the question says what is the principal argument. So this is the principal argument also. This is the solution of this question. Okay. Have a nice day and be connected with Doubtnut.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।